Did you know that the global AI market is expected to reach $190.6 billion by the end of 2026, with a significant portion of that growth coming from businesses that successfully integrate AI tools into their operations? As a tech-curious professional, you're likely eager to tap into this trend and start generating revenue with AI. In this video, I'll show you how to make money with AI tools in 2026 using real methods that are already working for businesses today. First, let's start with the basics. AI tools can be broadly categorized into two types: automation tools and predictive tools. Automation tools, such as Zapier or Automator, enable you to streamline repetitive tasks and free up more time for high-value activities. Predictive tools, like Google Cloud AI Platform or Amazon SageMaker, use machine learning algorithms to forecast future trends and make data-driven decisions. For example, let's say you're a marketing manager